While I'm here, I want to give you the prices of the bookshelves on display. This is the Roscoe 4-tier bookshelves for 4,800 pesos. Now they got this thing that if you're a member, you got a discount, so their membership costs about 600, I think. And this one, the metal one, fancy design bookshelves, the one in the middle, that's 3,900. Now that one, the Tummy 3S bookshelves, that's 3,375. It's metal and wood. Again, this one, you got to see the design is metal and wood. That's 4,162. This one is like the traditional box type, made of wood, laminated wood, but it's quite sturdy than the usual laminate wood, for 3,500. It's got 4 tiers. That's 3,500. This one, the smaller bookshelves, Savannah, only got 3 tiers, but with screen cover for 3,900. Now that one, Cathy's bookshelf with a cabinet on the side, is only 2,700. So this is the bookcase cabinet. I have to just sit back so you can see that one, bookcase cabinet with 4 cabinets and 2 little bookshelves for 5,400 pesos. Now this is Willie bookcase, a short one with 2 drawers, 3 display and 1 with a screen, for 5,500 pesos. This one is just a color box cabinet, like 2 open cabinets and 1 with key, 1,365. This one is a Elmer 6 cube bookcase, 3,640. This is the Titus bookcase. It's got a big cabinet, or 3,700 pesos. This is just 5-tier bookcase for 910. So you know this fancy design bookcase in red, it costs 4,050. You have another one on the front, but this one on the back is the one price, so that's the one I filmed, because this is the 4 cube low bookcase at 2,212.50. Now the upper one, a very fancy metal design bookcase at 3,465. So that's the other red fancy bookcase at 4,050. So the next one is like a glass display cabinet at 5,950. The next one, that's 7,180. The next one there, that's a 4 shelf bookcase in brown for only 1,540. Now here we have the more bookcase 4 shelves at 5,080. It's made of solid wood, not laminate, and it's painted white. Now it's heavier wood because most of this, like the 2,165 and one here, is laminated wood. So like that one, 5B color box, you can see got 5B color box, got 4 cabinets, one lot with lock for 2,163. Now you can compare it to the white one there, because the white one is like heavier wood, made of plywood, thicker plywood, and then lip, you know, and the edge. So that's 5,880, 5,800 rather, sorry. And this one is 2,163. So they have their latest design of bookshelves. You can see here that it is got a fancy design. This one of their new product that they have here for 3,150. And you got a matching one here, dark, a standing one, dark shelves, and the shelves can be open, you know, it's just an accent for the bookshelves. Up and down can be open. So you've got 5 shelving on this one. Bookcase 3,969, and they got a wider one. You can match that other one, 4,914. So there's another classic bookcase there, made of walnut, a laminated walnut, for only 7,770. You can see the 2 cabinets on the bottom, and that is the first unit. This is not all in set, but there's the matching cabinets that they recommend. So you got the cabinet there on the side for your like a filing cabinet, that's 7,900, and the smaller filing cabinet matching the walnut series, that's 5,200 pesos. That one, 7,900 pesos. But this is on the walnut series, and they have the walnut office table as well to match. So it looks like that. Now another shelf here. This is the whole thing. Those covers that you see is you can open them, and while the other ones are open display for 18,500. Filing cabinet with book display, 6,450. There's another bookcase here. $5,400. Then another bookcase, 2-layer cabinet, 3,000 pesos.